How to use Roblox DevEx feature. To use the Roblox Dev Exchange feature, you must meet the best eligibility criteria. So first of all, submit a cash out request from the Creator Hub and complete the tax and payment registration. This program lets you trade legitimately on Robux for real-world currency. First of all, to verify the eligibility, you must possess minimum balance of 30,000 on Robux. And also, you must be at least 13 years old. If you are minor under 18, a parent or legal guardian must assist with the setting up the tax and bank profiles. Now, your Roblox account must have a verified email address and be in complete compliance with the Roblox terms of use. Now, to submit the cash out, you simply have to launch any web browser of your choice. From there, head to the Roblox Creator Hub and then click on the Finances tab. Then choose the DevEx tab, and if you meet the criteria, the cash out button will be blue and clickable. Simply click it and fill out the form. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.